What's going on? It's Mike here. Welcome to Mike's Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare a red lobster, as you can see here. Obviously this is my first time, so you know, if I get it wrong, I don't care, but obviously I'm preparing this. It's not the first time I've obviously had this red lobster, obviously Canadian, beautiful, brilliant sweet taste to it. And obviously preparing this, gonna fry it in the pan with some olive oil. As I said again, this is my first time, so you know, obviously I'm just gonna go through the steps. As you can see here, it's pretty good, nice lobster. Yep. Obviously the claws, just take them off. Obviously this one broke off already, so boom. I'm gonna put that to the side. What you're gonna do is get a knife, a strong knife, and then just on the head, top of the head, and then make your way down to the tail. Just roll down the middle. Tough shell. Put that in the end. So, yep. And as you can see, cut down the middle. Just take it apart. As you can see here, all the meat stuff is there. Obviously all these red bits is obviously the eggs, so all you gotta do is just take that away, and there's some green bits as well. We'll just fully get this apart. If you ain't had lobster before, you're missing out, trust me, because it is just a wonderful seafood to obviously eat with. You can have everything. Right, what we're gonna do is obviously, as you can see, these red bits here, I'm just gonna scrape that out. Some people probably prefer to eat them, but you know, I don't wanna obviously eat that. Oh, you got some of these storage where the lobster obviously eats. You just want to clear that stuff off, out. Same again on the other tail, just want to get all the muck out of it. That's it. And obviously for the tails, you just want to take that bit off on both of them. Mine because they're very sharp as well still. Yeah. And then on the back end of the knife, you just want to just break the claws. So you can just break it like that. Remove the shell, and obviously you got the meat just there. Just take it out. Stop. Shell, hard shell, and then take out the meat so you can see. See, there's meat there. See, there's a bit of meat there. I just save that bit because there's always a little bit there. So I take this claw off, get a nice, juicy, tender meat off the shell. There you go. That's the other shell, the claw, the meat. Alright, got a plate. And put all the meat on the plate. Move all the shell bits. Now as for the tail, obviously I cleared all stuff out. What you just want to do is just get rid of the legs of the lobster. And then just remove the meat from the shell of the tail. Alright, that's one meat there. Obviously I still got this bit, but obviously I'm just going to show you how to just remove the meat from the tail. Just going to do the same thing on this one. Very sweet taste. Obviously it's not the first time I've obviously had this. I've had this in a restaurant in London. Yeah, obviously it's a nice obviously seafood to have. You can have it with anything. You could just have it with salad, a little veg, and there you go. There you go. It's obviously not much, but what I'm gonna do is just put this in the frying pan with some olive oil, and then serve it with obviously salad, and maybe have it with baguette. Yeah, there you go. It's a messy, you know. But anyway, if you like the video, just thumbs up, subscribe, and then yeah, till next time, this is Mike's Kitchen. I'll see you.